Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your status in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and YouTube strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the contacts menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots. And then at the top we find status. Tap on that. And then we can select one of these options, either available, solo, or busy, offline. And as you can see, in the top left corner, there next to our name tag, we have this little dot that shows which one is active. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.